I returned back to learning because my boy had got into full-time school and I was stuck in the house not doing nothing. When I was younger, I didn't continue with school, so I honestly don't know why I didn't just go out and get a job. I want him to stay in school now and encourage him, and he is watching my every move. So when he's seeing me do my homework, he sat there with his reading book, which is good to see.
Okay, when Naomi first came to the women's workshop, she was quite unconfident, quite nervous. She hadn't been in learning for a long time. She'd left school at an early age without qualifications. So I think it was quite daunting for her to come to the workshop.
I went to the women's workshop to do a taster, ended up going to Barry College, done the first year, didn't really think that I was going to get through it, but did. And when the second year came and it was site carpentry, I enjoyed it and I just flourished from there. And now this year I'm doing a diploma, which I never expected to do.
She's come on really far. She went to study at the Cardiff and Vale College, construction, carpentry, and she's gained in confidence, she's gained in skills. She's working hard in her apprenticeship. She's been taken on by a construction company. She works alongside other tradespeople. She's doing really amazing well. We're so proud of her. So people might wonder why we're filming this in a kitchen at the moment. Well, the reason is because Naomi actually made this kitchen. She constructed it herself and built it herself. So well done you, Naomi. It looks great.
Next year I want to do the MVQ3, which means I'll still be an apprentice. So by the time I'm 30, I'll be fully qualified. Then I want to do the HNC the year after. And so it's more learning, but eventually get my own career up and running.
Naomi, we've got a message for you from the Women's Workshop, from all the staff, from all the learners. We're so proud of you. You've done amazingly. Excellent. Well done, you. And congratulations tonight. Brilliant.
I'm over the moon about winning this award. Never thought I'd have a chance, but I'm really proud of myself from where I've come from to now.